Today I will show you how to earn 10% on Ethereum arbitrage using the biftex exchange. As you can see on this exchange, the Ethereum rate is much higher than on Binance, which means we can sell it for more. Go to the deposit and replenish our Ethereum wallet. Copy the address and go to Binance. I will start with 4 Ethereum. You can enter more. Your earnings will depend on it. By the way, let's see how much it will be in dollars. As you can see, it is $7,268. That's all. The money went to the balance of 4 Ethereum. Let's sell this soon. Go to trading. Select Ethereum. Enter the entire amount and click sell. As you can see, we have already earned almost $1,000. Now we need to withdraw them to Binance. Copy your USDT address in Binance, paste it here, and enter the entire amount, except for $1 of the commission that the exchange will take. Click withdraw now, waiting for confirmation of the transaction in the blockchain. The money came almost instantly. We earned $1,000 in one round with such a simple method. Try it yourself according to this scheme. You can work as much as you like. Have a nice day.